The pyramids of Egypt stand as silent sentinels, their imposing silhouettes etched against the desert sky. These ancient structures, with their precise geometric shapes and colossal size, have fascinated people for centuries. They are more than just architectural feats. They are symbols of a civilization's grandeur and its quest for immortality. For millennia, these monumental structures have captivated the human imagination, inspiring awe and wonder in equal measure. Visitors from all corners of the globe come to stand in their shadow to feel the weight of history and the passage of time. The pyramids are a testament to human ingenuity and the relentless pursuit of knowledge and power. They are not merely tombs, but testaments to the ingenuity and ambition of a civilization that flourished thousands of years ago. The hieroglyphs that adorn their walls tell stories of gods and kings, of rituals and beliefs that shaped the ancient world. Each stone, each carving, is a piece of a larger puzzle that historians and archaeologists strive to understand. The pyramids beckon us to unravel their mysteries, to decipher the secrets encoded in their very stones. What techniques did the ancient Egyptians use to move such massive blocks of stone? How did they achieve such precise alignments with the stars? These questions drive modern researchers to dig deeper, to explore further in hopes of uncovering the truths hidden within these ancient walls. These enigmatic structures have sparked countless theories and speculations about their construction and purpose. Some suggest they were built as astronomical observatories, others as places of spiritual significance. Theories range from the plausible to the fantastical, each adding to the mystique that surrounds these ancient wonders. Were they built by slaves, as popular culture often depicts, or by skilled artisans and laborers? The truth is likely more complex, involving a combination of both. Recent discoveries suggest that the workers who built the pyramids were well fed and housed, indicating a level of respect and care that contradicts the image of a brutal, slave-driven construction process. Or by skilled artisans and laborers. These workers were part of a highly organized society that valued their contributions. They were not just building tombs, they were creating a legacy that would endure for millennia. The precision and craftsmanship evident in the pyramid's construction speak to a level of expertise that continues to impress modern engineers and architects. Did extraterrestrial beings lend a helping hand, their advanced technology leaving its mark on the sands of time? This theory, while popular in some circles, remains highly controversial and lacks concrete evidence. However, it highlights the lengths to which people will go to explain the seemingly inexplicable achievements of the ancient Egyptians. The allure of the pyramids lies not only in their grandeur, but also in the tantalizing possibility that they hold answers to some of history's most enduring questions. What drove the ancient Egyptians to build such monumental structures? What secrets do they hold about the civilization that created them? These questions continue to intrigue and inspire those who visit and study these ancient wonders. As we delve into the world of the pyramids, we embark on a journey through time, exploring the engineering marvels, cultural beliefs, and enduring legacy of one of history's most fascinating civilizations. We will walk in the footsteps of the ancient Egyptians, experiencing their world through the lens of modern science and historical research. We will separate fact from fiction, examining the scientific evidence and archaeological discoveries that shed light on the construction and significance of these ancient wonders. From the tools and techniques used to the religious and cultural contexts that shaped their creation, we will uncover the truths that lie beneath the sands of time. Join us as we unlock the secrets of the pyramids, uncovering the human stories behind these majestic monuments. Through the eyes of archaeologists, historians, and scientists, we will explore the enduring allure of the pyramids and the legacy they have left for future generations. The construction of the pyramids was a monumental undertaking, requiring meticulous planning, advanced engineering, and a deep understanding of geometry and astronomy. These ancient structures were not just built haphazardly. They were the result of careful and deliberate design, reflecting the Egyptians' profound knowledge and their ability to execute complex projects with remarkable precision. The sheer scale of these structures is staggering, with the Great Pyramid of Giza, the largest of them all, containing over 2 million stone blocks, each weighing an average of 2.5 tons. This immense weight and volume of stone required not only a vast workforce, but also sophisticated techniques to move and position each block with incredible accuracy. To put that into perspective, that's the equivalent of over 100,000 double-decker buses. Imagine the logistical challenges involved in transporting such a massive amount of material across the desert and then lifting and placing each block with such precision. The precision with which the pyramids were built is equally impressive. The stones were cut so accurately that even a thin blade cannot be inserted between them. This level of craftsmanship is a testament to the skill and dedication of the workers who built these monumental structures. The four sides of the Great Pyramid are aligned almost perfectly with the cardinal directions with an error of less than 0.05 degrees. This precise alignment indicates a deep understanding of the Earth's geography and the ability to apply this knowledge in practical ways. This remarkable accuracy suggests a sophisticated understanding of astronomy and surveying techniques. The ancient Egyptians were able to observe the stars and use their positions to guide the construction of their pyramids, ensuring that they were perfectly oriented. The interior chambers and passageways of the pyramids are also precisely aligned, further demonstrating the Egyptians' mastery of geometry and their ability to translate complex designs into reality. These internal structures were designed with specific purposes in mind, often aligned with celestial events or religious beliefs. But the engineering marvels of the pyramids extend beyond their size and precision. The sheer ambition of these projects, combined with the technical challenges they overcame, speaks volumes about the capabilities and determination of the ancient Egyptians. The Egyptians also had to overcome significant logistical challenges in transporting and lifting the massive stone blocks used in their construction. They developed innovative methods to move these enormous stones from quarries to the construction sites, often over great distances. They developed ingenious methods for quarrying, transporting, and placing these stones using a combination of ramps, levers, rollers, and sheer manpower. These techniques were not only effective, but also demonstrated a deep understanding of physics and engineering principles. The construction of the pyramids was a testament to human ingenuity and a remarkable feat of engineering that continues to inspire awe and wonder today. These ancient structures stand as a lasting legacy of the incredible achievements of the ancient Egyptians, reminding us of their extraordinary capabilities and their enduring impact on the world. Tools to extract the stone. They employed copper chisels, wooden mallets, and stone hammers to cut the blocks from the bedrock. The process was labor-intensive and required a high level of skill and precision. The limestone used for the core of the pyramids came from quarries located just south of the Giza Plateau. This limestone was relatively easy to work with and abundant in the region, making it an ideal material for the massive inner blocks of the pyramids. The proximity of these quarries to the construction site also reduced the logistical challenges of transporting the stone, while the finer white limestone used for the outer casing was transported from Tura across the Nile River. This high-quality limestone gave the pyramids their smooth, polished appearance, reflecting the sunlight and making them visible from miles away. Transporting these stones across the river was a complex operation that involved loading them onto large barges and carefully navigating the waters of the Nile. The granite used for some of the interior chambers, such as the King's Chamber in the Great Pyramid, came from quarries located hundreds of miles to the south, near Aswan. This granite was incredibly hard and durable, making it perfect for the most important and structurally demanding parts of the pyramid. Transporting these massive granite blocks over such long distances was a monumental task that required careful planning and coordination. Transporting these massive stones was a logistical feat in itself. The ancient Egyptians had to devise ingenious methods to move these heavy blocks from the quarries to the construction sites. This involved a combination of manpower, engineering, and innovative techniques that showcased their remarkable ingenuity and determination. The Egyptians used a combination of wooden sledges, rollers and ropes to move the stones over land. These sledges were often pulled by teams of workers who coordinated their efforts to ensure the stones moved smoothly and efficiently. The use of rollers helped to distribute the weight of the stones, reducing the friction and making it easier to transport them over long distances. To reduce friction, they would often wet the sand in front of the sledges, making it easier to drag the heavy stones. This simple yet effective technique significantly reduced the effort required to move the stones, allowing the workers to transport them more quickly and with less strain. The wet sand created a smoother surface, which helped to prevent the sledges from getting stuck or damaged. Once the stones reached the Nile River, they were loaded onto barges and transported downstream to the pyramid construction sites. These barges were specially designed to carry the heavy loads and were navigated by skilled sailors who understood the currents and conditions of the river. The journey down the Nile was a critical part of the transportation process, as it allowed the stones to be moved quickly and efficiently over long distances. Upon reaching the pyramid site, the stones were moved up the pyramid's sloping sides using a system of earthen ramps. These ramps were carefully constructed to support the weight of the stones and provide a stable path for the workers to drag them to the desired height. The construction of these ramps was a complex engineering task that required precise calculations and a deep understanding of physics and materials. These ramps were built around the pyramid as it grew taller, allowing the workers to drag the stones to the desired height. As the pyramid rose, the ramps had to be extended and reinforced to ensure they could support the increasing weight and height. This continuous adaptation and construction of ramps was a testament to the Egyptians' engineering prowess and their ability to solve complex problems with innovative solutions. As the pyramid neared completion, the ramps were gradually dismantled, revealing the finished structure in all its glory. The removal of the ramps was a delicate process that had to be done carefully to avoid damaging the pyramid. Once the ramps were gone, the true magnificence of the pyramid could be fully appreciated, standing as a testament to the ingenuity, skill, and determination of the ancient Egyptians. Contrary to popular belief, the pyramids were not built by slaves. While forced labor was used in ancient Egypt for some tasks, the construction of the pyramids was a massive public works project that required the skills and expertise of thousands of skilled laborers. These workers were not slaves, but free citizens who were paid for their labor, often with food, clothing, and shelter. The construction of the pyramids was a source of national pride, and those who worked on them were highly respected members of society. Evidence suggests that the pyramid builders were organized into gangs or teams, each with its own specialization. There were quarrymen who cut and shaped the stones, carpenters who built the sledges and ramps, and masons who fitted the stones together with remarkable precision. There were also scribes who kept records, overseers who supervised the work, and priests who performed rituals and offerings. The construction of the pyramids was a testament not only to the engineering prowess of the ancient Egyptians, but also to their ability to organize and manage a large workforce. It was a collaborative effort that required the skills and dedication of thousands of individuals, all working towards a common goal.